Good morning, and welcome to Morning Signal. Here's your briefing for 13 July 2026. We start today with a massive shift in how teams work, as serial entrepreneur Bhavan Tarakia launches Neo with $30 million in funding. Instead of human-guided co-pilots, Neo focuses on autonomous peer agents working alongside us.
This is a major pivot from the chat box assistants we are used to. Neo is treating AI as an actual teammate that can take action independently. It signals that the era of simply asking a chatbot for help is rapidly evolving into delegating entire workflows.
Next up, Ollama has secured $65 million in Series B funding. This massive round solidifies local model orchestration as the absolute standard for enterprise developer environments.
Developers want privacy, speed, and control over their models. By securing this funding, Ollama proves that running AI locally isn't just a hobbyist trend anymore. It is now a core requirement for enterprise security and architecture.
In the fitness sector, Cult.Fit's pre-IPO filings reveal a major strategic pivot away from asset-heavy gyms. They are shifting focus to their high-margin cult sport retail business to secure a clear path to profitability.
Gyms are expensive to run and scale. By doubling down on e-commerce and retail, Cult.Fit is cleaning up its balance sheet to look highly attractive to public market investors.
Google has also entered the agentic space by launching an open-source command line interface designed for AI coding agents. This tool allows those agents to build, test, and deploy other agents completely on their own.
This is software engineering at the meta level. We are moving from humans writing code with AI help to AI agents building entire systems autonomously.
Finally, in our top stories, JustVibe is shaking up the search market. Instead of returning traditional blue links, their new search engine generates reusable, chat-editable mini-apps that let users execute tasks directly.
Why browse a website when you can just use a custom app built on the fly? This completely redefines search from an information-gathering tool to an instant execution engine.
Turning to AI infrastructure, a new Cloudflare-hosted tool called Second Brain Memory is tackling RAG memory degradation. It uses contradiction-aware ranking to automatically filter out obsolete information.
As systems run longer, their memory gets cluttered with outdated data. This tool ensures AI agents don't get confused by old instructions, which is crucial for long-term reliability.
On the cost side, Aurico launched its LLM router, which acts like a trading desk for LLM calls. It routes API requests across different providers in real time to get the absolute lowest price.
It is all about margin optimization now. Services like Aurico show that enterprise buyers are getting smart about the high cost of running raw LLM queries.
Meanwhile, Finny launched its Knowledge Atlas, a self-updating knowledge base that automatically revises stale sources. Also, Tyto introduced an audio debugging tool to help developers monitor when background noise breaks voice assistant pipelines.
These two tools address real-world friction. Finny keeps support data accurate without human intervention, while Tyto solves the messy reality of voice assistants failing in noisy, real-world environments.
In product news, ServiceBeard has launched a shared inbox that dual-syncs support mailboxes with issue trackers. This allows smaller teams to bypass expensive ticketing suites entirely.
It is a great lightweight solution for part-time operations. You get the power of a complex ticketing system without paying the hefty enterprise seat licensing fees.
We also saw the launch of Badge, which uses verified email agents to collect anonymous peer reviews. It then translates these reviews into portable resume trust metrics.
This brings verified social proof directly to hiring. It bypasses traditional reference checks by creating a continuous, trusted record of your professional reputation.
For developers, PlugThis launched a chat-based Chrome extension generator that compiles functional tools instantly. We also saw the release of Sim Agent Sandbox, an open-source workspace for testing autonomous agent workflows safely.
These tools lower the barrier to creation. PlugThis lets non-technical teams build internal tools, while Sim Agent Sandbox provides a safe environment to ensure autonomous agents don't run amok.
To power these agents, the new Longcat Mixture of Experts model has been released under an MIT license. It features a massive context window optimized specifically for executing complex code development.
Having a massive context window in an open-source model is a game changer. It means developers can feed entire code bases to local agents without worrying about data privacy or massive API bills.
In business strategy, India's SEBI has cleared manufacturing platform Zetworks' $450 million IPO. This is a massive validation for digital supply chain models.
Zetwork proves that applying modern software coordination to traditional manufacturing is highly scalable. Public investors are clearly eager to back digital-first physical supply chains.
On the flip side, Ola Electric is facing vendor-filed insolvency actions over unpaid dues. This exposes severe working capital stress despite their high-growth market positioning.
High sales numbers don't matter if you can't manage your cash flow. This insolvency action is a stark reminder that operational discipline is just as important as rapid market expansion.
Looking at the big picture, these stories show that the Copilot era is officially ending. Platforms must pivot from chat-based assistants to background agents that execute tasks independently.
Exactly. We are also seeing emerging infrastructure tools abstracting away the operational overhead of LLMs, like memory decay and routing. This puts pressure on B2B vendors to defend their traditional seat-based pricing.
For decision signals this week, we need to monitor whether native LLM providers introduce their own latency routing to challenge third-party optimization services. We should also watch if major collaboration suites launch competing agent APIs.
Right. And on the hardware side, we must watch if regional manufacturing platforms tighten credit lines following Ola Electric's insolvency. That could trigger a broader credit squeeze.
Let's close with our one thing we're thinking about today. We are transitioning from the Copilot phase to the colleague phase. If your product roadmap treats AI as a sidebar chatbot, you are building for the past.
Customers don't want to click buttons or read summaries anymore. They want the work done. You must build systems that run background agents to deliver completed work or risk losing users to tools that bypass your interface entirely.
That is our briefing for today. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. We'll see you tomorrow morning.